The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that is a nice ring.
Alright guys, started working on the 300ZX again. The seat brackets finally came in. I was waiting for this for like a week, but I could finally mount the seats to the car. But there's a catch. I ordered the bolts, and that should be here today. If it comes, then I'll put it on. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. But I had to order the seat bolts for the 4 for this side and 4 for that side. I also had to get the seat buckles, the seat belt buckle.
What?
The seat belt buckle. Damn, I can't talk. Yeah, the seat belt buckle on both sides. I had to get that too. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse while I put the seat brackets on the seat.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
I'm glad that you can open up, you got a friend in me. And when I listen to you talk, it's like a melody. Now hear me out, keep G.O.D. inside your heart to block the enemy. Cause jealousy will come to snatch up all your energy. Oh, my charisma got her smiling like in every word. He said I'm not like other guys she ever seen or heard. I'm not a chatterbox, I try to flex, I hold it down. I know my presence is hit different cause I'm not a clown. Cause I'm from the east side, that's right. Rosa NYC, that's the best side. And you know I'm outside, south side. Queens get the money, you know that's right. If she wanna catch a vibe with the lights low, we can drive through my hood, we can go slow. I can show you all.
Alright guys, right now, my boys from Senpai Motorsport bought me there. This is the first one, right?
Yeah, it's the first one.
First all carbon steering wheel. Let me unbox this real quick. Oh, that's right. I ripped it. I'm gonna rip it, it's fine. I'm gonna put it in right now. Can't even wait. Oh shit. Alright guys, here's the steering wheel. I'll show you guys a better look when I go inside, but yo, good looks guys.
No problem, man.
What do you guys,
for you.
yeah, just do a shout out right now. What do you guys specialize?
Carbon steering wheels, carbon interior pieces, and Q60 and Q50 parts.
There you go. Alright guys, go hit them up. The best prices out there.
Got you, brother.
And private deliveries, okay. Here's a better look at the steering wheel. Look at the weave. It's so light, it's not even funny. The weave is crazy. But yeah, they also gave me the centerpiece for it, which is also carbon fiber. I'm probably gonna put this on the 300ZX, but they also hooked me up with some lanyards. There you go. But yeah, Senpai Motorsports. As you saw in the last video, I put the Takata steering wheel on. Let me turn the light on. Yeah, I put the Takata steering wheel on, but now I have to put this on the 300ZX because just look how nice it looks. But yeah, I just put it on, but I'm gonna take it off right now. I'm gonna put this on. Huge shout out to, like, again, huge shout out to Senpai Motorsports because their quality is out of this world. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking that off and putting this on.
2 seconds later.
It's not even completely on yet and it looks amazing. I'll put this on and show you guys what it looks like. This steering wheel looks crazy. I think this goes way better than the green Takata steering wheel, so I'll probably keep this for now. But this is gonna go on every single car I usually keep. It goes with the whole interior much better, all black. Huh, not bad, not bad. I don't know if you can see me, but this 300ZX has been sitting here for like 3-4 months now. And we just changed the battery because the old one was dead, obviously. Now we're gonna start it, hopefully everything's fine. I made sure it has oil because something's leaking down there, but I'm pretty sure it's power steering. So here we go, first start.
Good to go.
All right.
First try.
Alright, so starts. Now I would drive it home, right? But the rear glass is shattered and I don't want to risk it in the street. And I also don't want to clean it at the moment. So We're gonna tow it to my house, and then we'll fix it up over there. But yeah, I'm just glad it starts. It's been a while. It's a cool looking car. Don't mind the dust, it'll be clean. Yo, Avi, pull up.
The things you've been missing. Can we start with living life, not existing? Am I delusional? Or am I losing you? I like it when you rock your natural hair, it's beautiful. But when you goofy, really, I don't care, it's suitable. I find it hard that anybody can get used to you. Girl, you got some toxic traits like everyone do. I know you gonna work on them and try to get through. But you see what it's like to rock in anyone's shoes. A heart like it's the world will always try to misuse. She's like, where you come from?
This glass is garbage from the Z. So we're gonna smash it and get a new one. What? Go ahead, TAHMID. Do your thing. Alright guys, as you saw in the last clip, TAHMID shattered the hatch. Well, it was fun. Here's why, because when I bought the car, I saw that the hatch glass was shattered. So right after I bought the car, I drove all the way to Bronx to pick up this hatch from this guy, not knowing that the 2 + 2 and the 2 + 0 is different size. Who the fuck would have known that? Dumbass. Anyway, so I have 2 hatches at home right now that none of them will work. So I'm on the way to Hampstead right now to pick up another one. It has a little wing on it. Don't know how I feel about it, but I just bought it because of the glass. That one's completely fine, so I'm gonna pick that up and maybe tomorrow we'll put it on the car. Brought the truck out to pick this up, so here's the hatch. That's the wing I was talking about. It's okay, I have to get it repainted anyway, so all these damage will be fixed. So yeah, let's head back home right now.
12 seconds later.
Took it out the truck, just laid it on. It's not bolted on, it's just there. And it's not that bad, it's pretty cool. I still need the center taillight piece, which I hate. But it's pretty clean. Just after it's painted, the wing kind of ties it together. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Forgot to record, but I came home and we already put the hatch on. But right now I'm gonna put 350Z wheels on here because I don't know, these tires are pretty bad and the other side has a flat, so I'm gonna switch it to the 350Z wheels. It's from the 350Z you guys saw previous video, or like a couple of videos ago. He gave me his stock wheels, so I'm gonna put it on this.
New York, tell me where you be. Queens, you really a nice guy. I'm from Southside, come kick it with me. In the East, cause I'm from the East Side. That's right. Rosa NYC, that's the best side, and you know I'm outside. Southside, Queens get the money, you know that's right. If you wanna catch a vibe with the lights low, we can drive to my hood, we can go slow. I can show you all the things you've been missing.
Alright guys, we just finished. All 4 wheels are on and it looks pretty fitting. It looks like it just came like that on the car stock. But I'm gonna go get this painted on Saturday or something. I'll probably get the car back by Monday. I have to order a new piece for this. But yeah, after that, I'll probably drive it for a bit and then sell it. But yeah, it's coming along.
A few moments later.
It's finally time to paint the hatch, the one we bought and we put on. So I dropped it up to my boy Valerie. I said Valerie, Mohammed, and he's painting it right now. He already sanded it. So it'll be done in 2 days? Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
I'll leave.
Do the fiberglass.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Crack over here.
And then over there. And then the holes over there, right? Oh, he's already done. Wow. Alright, see you in 2 days.
The next day.
Alright guys, Mohammed just finished and this is what it looks like. Wow, I'll miss this thing. It drives so good. We turned the hatches off. But yeah, Mohammed really finished in a day. That's kind of impressive. And he polished the whole car for me, so it's shiny. I'm gonna drive this around for a bit, for a few weeks, then it's gonna be up for sale. Whoever wants it. Picked it up, came to Edison, but right now the only missing thing on the car is the 3rd brake light panel right there. I'm gonna order that, and after that this car's completely done. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna shoot a little montage real quick, and that's it.
Like the same, slipping anywhere you wanna break come first. Told him that's a dub, I want God, that's my word. Pressing on that pedal till it hurts, no reverse. Devil hand out to the hearse, that's a curse. I can't mess around with shorty, that's a dub. She like Xotic, kept on calling, but you stay ignoring me. Girl, you wasn't on my mind, I push you out my memory. If I'm down and going out, I know you wouldn't come for me. To be honest, people hating, watching, really debating. If I'm go up to obtain the future, I'm stating. I know what I'm building is a solid foundation. They don't understand it, so I gotta portray it. I ain't common, money foreign. Don't get crop right out the frame, cause I got options. Said you swimming with the sharks and you with dolphins. You a soft boy, not no Spartan. Alright, cool, my baddie, she my foreign. Ay, singing to it like I'm Drake, Ashen Martin. Got some people wanna beef, but won't start it. Nah, I got